Swallow-tailed kite. The swallow-tailed kite, scientifically known as Elenoides forficatus, is a graceful and striking raptor found in the Americas. Its distinctive forked tail and elegant flight make it a unique and admired bird. This essay explores the various aspects of the swallow-tailed kite, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. The swallow-tailed kite belongs to the order Accipitriformes and the family Accipitridae. Its scientific name, Elenoides forficatus, reflects its resemblance to the kites in the genus Elenus and its distinctive forked tail. The genus name Elenoides means resembling Elenus, while the species name forficatus is derived from the Latin word for fex, meaning scissors, referring to its deeply forked tail. The swallow-tailed kite is a medium-sized raptor, measuring about 50–66 cm in length, with a wingspan of approximately 120,150 cm. It has a striking black and white plumage, with a white head, neck, and underparts, and black wings and tail. The deeply forked tail is its most distinctive feature, aiding in its agile and acrobatic flight. The bill is hooked and adapted for catching and consuming prey, while the legs are short and strong. Swallow-tailed kites inhabit a variety of forested and wetland habitats, including swamps, marshes, rivers, and wooded areas. They prefer regions with abundant water and tall trees for nesting and roosting. The species is found in the southeastern United States, Central America, and parts of South America. In the United States, they are primarily found in the Gulf Coast states, particularly in Florida, during the breeding season. They migrate to Central and South America for the winter. Swallow-tailed kites are highly aerial birds, spending much of their time in flight. They are known for their graceful and buoyant flight, often gliding and soaring for extended periods. They are social birds, frequently seen in small groups or family units. During migration, they form large flocks, sometimes numbering in the thousands. The diet of the swallow-tailed kite consists mainly of insects, such as dragonflies, cicadas, and beetles, which they catch in flight. They also consume small vertebrates, including frogs, lizards, snakes, and birds. The kites are adept hunters, using their keen eyesight and agile flight to capture prey. They often snatch insects from the air or pluck them from vegetation without landing. Swallow-tailed kites breed during the spring and early summer months. They build their nests high in tall trees, often near water. The nests are constructed from sticks and lined with softer materials, such as moss and leaves. The female typically lays 1–3 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 28–30 days. The chicks are altricial and require significant parental care. Both parents participate in feeding and protecting the chicks, which fledge after about 35–40 days but remain dependent on their parents for several more weeks. The swallow-tailed kite is classified as least concern by the IUCN, but its population is subject to various threats. Habitat loss and degradation due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization pose significant challenges to the species. Conservation efforts focus on protecting nesting and foraging habitats, as well as monitoring population trends. In the United States, the species benefits from legal protections under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act. Swallow-tailed kites breed during the spring and early summer months. They build their nests high in tall trees, often near water. The nests are constructed from sticks and lined with softer materials, such as moss and leaves. The female typically lays 1–3 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 28–30 days. The chicks are altricial and require significant parental care. Both parents participate in feeding and protecting the chicks, which fledge after about 35–40 days but remain dependent on their parents for several more weeks. Swallow-tailed kites have inspired numerous anecdotes and stories among birdwatchers, naturalists, and local communities. Their elegant flight and distinctive appearance make them a favorite subject for wildlife photographers and artists. In many cultures, they are associated with freedom, grace, and the beauty of nature, and their presence is celebrated as a sign of a healthy and diverse ecosystem. Historical records and folklore often depict kites as symbols of good fortune and prosperity. Their migratory patterns, which bring them to different regions throughout the year, have also made them symbols of change and renewal. The unique behaviors and striking appearance continue to captivate and inspire people worldwide.